See students, after a rapidly changing technological environment, our next point is necessity for change. Prior to 1991, business enterprises could follow stable policies for a long period of time. But after 1991, the business enterprises have to modify their policies and operations from time to time. Next one is need for developing human resources. See, before 1991, Indian enterprises were managed by inadequately trained personnel. New market conditions required people with higher competence, skills, and training. Hence, Indian companies felt the need to develop their human skills. Market orientation. Earlier, firms were following selling concept, that is, produce first and then go to market. But now companies follow marketing concept, that is, planning production on the basis of market research, need and want of customer. Next one is loss of budgetary support to public sector. See, prior to 1991, all the losses of public sector were used to be made good by government by sanctioning special funds from budgets. But today, the public sectors have to survive and grow by utilizing their resources efficiently. Otherwise, these enterprises have to face disinvestment. On the whole, the policies of liberalization, globalization, and privatization have brought positive impact on Indian business and industry. They have become more customer focused and have started giving importance to customer satisfaction. Now, last one is export, a matter of survival. The Indian businessman was facing global competition, and the new trade policy made the external trade very liberal. As a result, to earn more foreign exchange, many Indian companies joined the export business and got a lot of success in the many companies increased their turnover more than double by starting export division. For example, the Reliance company, Videocon, MRF, CA Tires, etc. got a great hold in the export market. So basically, these were the impact of government policies due to globalization, liberalization, and privatization. Okay, so once again, I'm just giving you a review of all these points. First point was increasing competition. Second point was more demanding customers. Next one is a rapidly changing technological environment, then necessity for change, market orientation, loss of budgetary support to public sector, need for developing human resources, and export, a matter of survival. Students, please note from this chapter, many topics are deleted, and the main is uh, globalization, privatization, and liberalization. And after that, demonetization. Demonetization is also one of the topic which is deleted for you in coming board exam, that is in 2021. And after this, one more topic is left, that is the last topic of this chapter, that is managerial response to change in business environment. So on the whole, the impact of government policy changes, particularly in respect of liberalization, privatization, and globalization, has been positive. Now, there are various points regarding it. First one is diversification. The first response seen after new policy is the companies are going for diversification. For example, we can say state-owned BHEL, that is Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, said that with new wave of economic changes, we will diversify our portfolio that will include solar energy, transportation, and water business. Even companies like Reliance, Voltas, LG, Samsung are diversifying their activities by adding more products in their portfolio. Second one is joint venture, also known as collaboration and consolidation of multinationals. Most of the multinational companies came to India through joint venture. You can say example, Ford Ford enters with Mahindra and Mahindra. Jaguar enters with Tata Motors. Honda enters with SEAL. General Motors with Hindustan Motors. And Vodafone is planning to merge with Idea. And these days, you must be knowing about it. Vodafone is already merged with Idea. And that is these days that is known as VI. Next one is brand building. After new economic policy, the brand building, goodwill, and image of company has become an important element of promotion of company. Now companies are spending huge amount on various promotional activities such as advertisement, sale promotion, etc. for brand building, especially in consumer durable industries such as Samsung, LG, Sony, etc. There are more points like use of latest technology, improved compensation level, and customer focus. So companies are using latest technology to get the first mover advantage. Companies are trying to get the latest technology first in their product, and companies are improving their compensation level also. With the entry of MNCs, there is a lot of change seen in the salary package of all the employees in managerial as well as technical services. And companies are focusing on customer satisfaction. The focus of market is totally shifted from producer to customer. Today, customer is the key in the market. All companies are coming with various schemes to attract the customer. So these were few points related with managerial response to change in business environment. Thank you very much.